How you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog, man. What year is this?
02 Envoy GMC.
So today we're working on a 2002 GMC Envoy. Problem with this car is having a misfire. My cousin here took it to the GMC dealership. I can't show you the tag for private purposes. Okay, so if you have a similar vehicle to that, that's what the car looks like. So right now what we're doing is we're about to price out the coils?
The coils, the ignition coils.
We changed the spark plugs on this car before, so now we're gonna change the coils. So go ahead, press enter. So something's wrong. Oh, there it is, 2002 GMC Envoy, right?
Yes.
So, but it's crazy. It's asking you what year there. So what's really going on right now is like my cousin went to the dealership. I don't like to talk bad about the dealerships, but like let me tell you why the dealership is so expensive. Because they're a multi-million-dollar companies, and for them to take a look at your cars, they're gonna charge you whatever they have to get paid. Because remember, there's a lot of money involved. There's also, they gotta pay their technicians. They gotta make their money. The store has to make their money. Their corporation has to make their money. Everybody has to make money. That's how these people work. So I'm a small business, so I try to help as much as I can. Everybody, not just my family members, but everybody that comes here that knows me. They know how I get down. And I want to take a quick moment to tell all my customers, thank you for 5 years of your support. I really appreciate it. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. And I want to say thank you. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button for more videos. Right now, I'm working on a 2002 GMC Convoy?
Envoy.
Or Envoy?
Envoy.
Envoy. All right. So we'll be right back. Remove the negative cable. So it's an 8mm. 8mm.
We're doing this because of why?
You have my cousin's car has a code for evaporation leak, and we found that there's a hose that is cracked on the gas tank, and that's why I'm removing this battery cable, because you want the system to be off. This is just for safety purposes, you know what I mean? So that's what we're doing. So I removed it already. So now the battery's there.
So he just removed the battery, and it should be safe to work on this car for what he's about to do.
Some mechanics don't do this, but I do it because for my safety purposes. So now we're gonna remember, if you have a jack, you can do this with a jack. Come on, man.
Whew. Sun is up. It's a good day to work on cars.
So how much the dealership wanted for this hose?
1,500.
Huh?
1,500.
1,500. You guys are listening. I'm not making this up. He just said it to you guys. $1,500 what the dealer wanted for this particular work that we're doing to the truck.
Yeah. I'm about to show you guys what I'm talking about.
Okay. So if you guys see the hose, it's right there. That hose, this hose is cracked, has cracks in it. So we're gonna remove it from the system to replace it, because I believe that's what the evaporation is coming out from. So we're gonna try to fix it. How much gas do you have in here?
Almost empty.
Almost empty?
Actually, it is empty.
It is empty.
Yes. Yeah, dealership wanted $1,500 to fix it.
Fix this hose. I think it's ridiculous. I don't see, all they're gonna do is change this hose. I don't think they're gonna do anything else to it. It's 2 clamps that you gotta take out. Are you like getting them?
Yeah,
so
I got you.
I don't do this kind of work, guys. I'm trying to help my cousin here. This is called. And the other one's from up there. How the hell did they do this? I think it's an angle.
Yeah, so it's up there. So he's gonna have to try to somehow find a way to get that. So he took one of them out. And he's trying to find a tool. He's over there. Hard working man right there.
Okay, it is.
So is the other ones hard to get through? You guys see that? I guess they put it up there.
Yeah, you have to put the phone sideways, cause otherwise it's not gonna record properly.
Oh.
So this car has over 200,000 miles on it, and they have never given it any maintenance whatsoever. Come on, come on. So, if you guys watching this video, this is a common problem for this car. This hose, after a while, it kind of like cracks from all the heat.
And you can see all the leakage in these areas.
Like it's all wet.
Yeah.
So remember to unplug the battery first for your own safety. And if you're watching this video, we are not responsible for any damages you may do to your car by watching this video. Oh, damn. See that?
Oh, shit.
That's the problem. Oh.
So this is...
Yeah, it's a gas tank. What the hell? I never seen stuff like that before. So that's what they were telling you, that they have to change the gas tank?
Uh-huh.
Huh?
Yeah, they said that they wanted to change the...
Oh. Alright.
Is that
You can stop the video for a minute.
Okay. Is that a...
Alright, you guys. Put it right there where the hose is. So what happened here is that this is made out of plastic, and if you guys can see, it's broken already. So we already found out how much the gas tank is gonna cost, and the labor and otherwise. So it's too much work to fix this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply some jbweld from here, all where it's cracked. Here, this is
Can you see that with us?
jbweld. This is where I'm gonna use to try to seal it back up. It's made for plastic, aluminum, and steel. This is what we're gonna use to fix that crack on the gas tank, because my cousin doesn't want to spend more money into this vehicle because it already has so much miles on it. So this is one way you can fix it. So
where'd you buy it?
Huh?
Where can you get this?
You can get this at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, or your local auto parts stores. All right. So.
Okay. It's just.
Can you get it, Mike?
Yeah. All right. Here's what we're doing.
All right. So what I'm doing, guys, I grabbed some sandpaper. This is a 80 grit, and I'm just sanding a little bit so that way when I apply the jbweld, it'll stick to it. This is not the way to repair this thing. The best thing to do is to exchange the whole gas tank. But my cousin doesn't want to spend any money on it no more. So we're gonna just jbweld it. Like I said, if you're watching this video, you know, do it at your own risk. We're just trying to make sure that there's no more gas coming out of this because it's broken from here. I already showed you. So what we're trying to do is seal it up with some jbweld. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just scratching it up so the jbweld, when it cures, they grab onto it. If you just apply it without sanding this thing down, it's probably gonna fall right back out. So this is what I'm doing. Okay, ain't gotta be really pretty. So I think this is the jbweld stick. So we're probably gonna use, I would say, this much. Use gloves. I don't like the smell of this thing, and I don't like to grab it with bare hands, so I'm using a glove.
And why are you cutting it?
Yeah, I'm cutting it. So we're gonna use that much. All right, so this is jbweld. I cut a piece of it. It has a little plastic on it, so make sure you get that out the way. I think I got it all out, right?
Yeah,
it's all out. So now you gotta play with it like this. It's like Play-Doh. Gotta play with it. I don't like the smell of it. It sucks. But this thing is like steel, man. So play with it until it gets really soft. So I was talking to the guy from AutoZone that delivered these coil. So he said that a friend of mine quit his job. He was there for 10 years. And I got a message for everybody that goes to work 9 to 5 every day. When you accept to do a job, like if you're not happy about the job after a while, just quit. Put your 2-week notice and quit. Don't wait until you get tired of it and then just walk out. That's exactly what he did. He walked out of AutoZone, and nobody knows why he left or why not. But if you're not happy where you at, don't make everybody else's job harder than what it already is. Find something that you're good at, something that you like, that you're passionate on, and just, you know, do what you gotta do. Do your best. So I am kind of sorry for my friend, but at the same time, I don't know what happened. So I hope I'll talk to him again when I see him. I don't want to say his name because I don't want to put him on blast. I'm not that type of person, but I wish him the best, whatever he's doing. So now that I got it all soft, so I'm gonna go apply it now.
All right.
So I'm gonna put it on, right? This thing expands by itself. Expands, you see that? It expands.
Oh, I see.
So you gotta hurry up because this thing cures, I believe, within 30 minutes or so. This is not the way to do it, guys, but if you're on the budget like my cousin here and he doesn't want to put no more money into it, this is what basically the best thing to do.
How long will this keep?
Huh?
Will it keep it from?
How long what?
How strong is this?
really strong, bro. I fixed wheels with this thing. You know, like wheels?
Yeah.
Aluminum wheels.
For real?
This is good for aluminum wheels, for steel wheels, as long as the damage is not too much. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just like spreading it out, trying to get it to where it's sealed. So the best way to do this, guys, is to change the gas tank. But my cousin is not gonna do that. It's too much money. We already looked at the price of the gas tank. This thing is $200 plus labor. You gotta pay somebody like me to take it down, and it'll probably be another, what, $200-300 bucks?
Yeah.
It's definitely be less than $1,500. I'll tell you that for sure. Yeah, that's how you do it, guys.
There you go.
So there you go. Now you let it just sit there, and here. You can stop it. I don't have the diagram here, but I already went and looked it up in online. So this is coil number 2, right? So I'm gonna put it back down. Coil number 2. I looked it up online already. So this is coil 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like how they're lined up. This car has a misfire. Last time my cousin was here, we replaced the spark plugs, but we did not replace the coils because we thought that the coils were good. But then my cousin came back, and we come to find out that the coils, one of the coils is actually bad. Normally when people do, when they replace the coils, they replace all of them. Which one I took out? This one, right?
Yeah, number 2.
So I'm gonna tie it up. You don't have to tie it too much, just enough so it won't move. Okay, so now this is coil number 4. This is the one we're gonna replace. Damn it.
And
normally the mechanics, they replace all the coils because they don't want to do double work. And my cousin's how you say it? In your situation,
yeah.
He's only gonna replace one because he's gonna get rid of the car. We're gonna replace coil number 4. This is the coil. Oh, here it is. The hell is all wet. Oh man, I have bad news for you, man.
What's that?
Bad news for you, dog. This car has a head blown gasket. There's a lot of water inside. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, I see the water.
Huh? Wow, that's a lot, bro. Hold on. So
what's gonna happen?
hold on, let me clear it up. You can stop it, bro. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
So guys, so we took the spark coil number 4. There's water in the system. So it actually is telling me that maybe he might have a head blown gasket. So that's pretty sad news because this is why it's running on 5 cylinders. So to do any diagnostics yourself, you gotta get you one of those little machines. A OBD, I think it's called, OBD scanner, or ODB, one of them two, man. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but
see how wet that? Look how much water that is.
yeah, look how wet the towel is. I'm trying to get all of it out so I can go ahead and what do you want to do? You want to just put this back on, or you want me to just put the new one on?
I mean, it's not gonna help with the situation, right?
Huh?
It's not really gonna help with the, because it's still gonna do.
That I don't know. Hold on, give me a second.
All right, I'm pausing.
All right, go back in and record.
So you can see we're still trying to get the water out.
Out of cylinder number 4.
No, number.
Because that's what it's shooting codes for. It's funny how you take the car to the dealership and the mechanics there or whoever's running the show, They don't even have a 5 minute to take a quick look what the problem is. Instead, it just started quoting you 2,000 for this, 1,500 for that. It's like crazy. Like, that's why a lot of people don't trust mechanics nowadays, because they just rip off, man. But I tell you how many times I got ripped off. I lost count. I forgot. That's another reason why I went and did everything myself. We're gonna take the spark plug out. I'm gonna take the spark plug out so the water can go down.
Uh-huh.
So you drove it how far from Manifold? Huh? 2 hours?
2 an hour.
2.5 hours?
Yeah. But Sunday I went the wrong direction, so I drove it for about 3 hours.
Okay.
But I need to I probably this weekend I may have to take this back to her.
So this spark plug, see how wet it is, guys?
Yeah, that's.
Where's the towel?
Right here. Yeah, that's showering.
Okay.
He took out the let me see, to drain the water or whatever it's in there.
Yeah, there's water in the cylinder. So what do you want to do? You want me to just put it back on? Or?
Yeah, just put it back on.
Huh?
Yeah. So what does the head gasket? What is? That's for the.
I'll let you search that online.
Okay.
Yes. Stop the camera. So pretty much, my cousin has decided that he's gonna sell this. So we're not gonna put no more money into it. Matter of fact, we're gonna send back the coil. And we're gonna try to see if the vibration goes away after we finish with this. I'm doing it right now. I'm putting the spark plug back. Guys, all right. Now you put back the intake manifold after you finish checking what the problem is. We didn't solve the problem, guys, because this car may need a head gasket, and you know, if you know with cars, you know a head gasket, it takes a lot of work to do it. So my cousin here is gonna sell the car the way it is. So there you go. That's all you do, okay? So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one, okay?
All right, thanks, guys. I'm Toothpaste Cousin, bringing all these cars for.
Come on, man. Why are you getting nervous, man?
I'm not nervous.
Just tell
Yeah,
them
this is my.
No, they're gonna shoot you.
Peace.